Dear students, today discussing the unit number 1, testing of hypothesis. The today topic will be chi-square test. Before going to the problem, we can discuss some basic definitions. First, we're discussing the population. What is a population? Here, population is a statistics, means a set of objects or mainly set of numbers or measurement or observation pertaining the objects. The population will be finite or infinite according to the number of element of the set is finite or infinite. Population is nothing but, for example, in your classroom taking the number of students, take it as a population. Then going to the sampling. What is the sampling? A part selected from the population is called as sample. The process of selection of sample is called a sampling. Sampling is nothing but, I can give the some example. In a classroom, you are choosing some of the students. You are taking the, for example, roll number 5 or 6. This will be taking as a sampling. Okay, then going to the testing of hypothesis. What is the testing hypothesis? There are two types of hypothesis. So first one will be null hypothesis. Null hypothesis will be H naught. Null hypothesis is based on the analysis of the problem. If you analyze the problem, then only go to the hypothesis. Null hypothesis, hypothesis of there is a no difference. Thus we shall presume that there is a no significant difference between the observed value and expected value. We define the there is no significant difference in the null hypothesis. Then go to the alternative hypothesis. Any hypothesis which is complementary to the null hypothesis. Null hypothesis is nothing but which is a just opposite to the null hypothesis. The hypothesis which is called just opposite to the null hypothesis. The denoted symbol will be H1. So we have started the chi-square test for the goodness of fit. This one. So before going to the problem, we can first write down the formulas. Okay, what is the formula here? Formula will be chi square equal to summation of O minus E whole square divided by E. So here O is the observed frequency and then E is the expected frequency. A table below gives us a number of, this is a given problem. What is a given problem will be now? A table below gives the number of aircraft accidents that occurred during the various days of the week. Test whether the accidents are uniformly distributed over the week. The given problem will be given. What is asking here now? Whether the accidents are uniformly distributed over the week. We can choose the chi-square test. Why I can choose the chi-square test means they are asking the uniformly distributed or not. Because will be, this is a given data will be there, no observed frequency will be given. We should find out the expected frequency. That's why we can use the chi-square test for. So what is a given here now? Days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Number of accidents. What is number of accidents will be 14, 18, 12, 11, 15 and 14. So first we choose the parameter. The parameter of interest is there is to test the accidents is uniformly distributed. So step 1. Step 1 will be the accidents are uniformly distributed over the week for the H naught null hypothesis. What is the step 2? Step 2 will be alternate hypothesis. The accidents are the uniformly are not uniformly distributed because H naught will be taking the uniformly distributed over the week, but H1 will be accidents will be uniformly not uniformly distributed. Then step 3. Step 3 I can take that alpha. Alpha at 5% level of significance. There is no mention at all. So we can choose the degrees of freedom will be 5% and then level of significance will be 5% and the degrees of freedom will be, what is the formula will be n minus 1. The number of data will be totally 6. So 6 minus 1 will be here now 5. Then go to the step 4. Step 4 will be chi-square. Can find out now from the table from the given table value. In your examination all we provide the table. Chi-square will be can take the value will be 11.07. Then go to the step 5. Step 5 will be this is a formula chi-square test summation of O minus E whole square divided by E. O is the observed frequency, E is the expected frequency, and taking the summation will be whole, not only numerator and also denominator. Then go to the total number of actions. What is total number of actions? You can add all the data. For example, total of the frequency. Total frequency here totally 84. Then you can find out the expected frequency for all data. Okay, and find out the expected frequency means just take the mean value. The total will be 84 divided by number of data will be 6. So therefore 84 divided by 6 equal to 14. So we find out the expected frequency for all data. Let O denote the observed frequency and E denote the expected frequency. So observed frequency will be given data as 14, 18, 12, 11, 15, 14. And the expected frequency will be, we should find out no from the mean. Mean value will be, for all the data will be 14. Just substitute here. Then find out the next one will be O minus E. Observed frequency minus expected frequency. Then fourth column will be O minus E the whole square. Then fifth one will be O minus E whole square divided by expected frequency. Just substitute then O minus E whole square divided by O minus E. Then find out the O minus E the whole square divided by E and got the value. Then can add all the summation value. Then substitute the formula. Psi square equal to summation of O minus E divided by whole square divided by E. No? So what is the total will be 2.143. This is a psi square test for the calculated value. Then compare the calculated value and a table value. So step 6 will be conclusion. So if I calculate a value of psi square and a table value of psi square. If I calculate a value of psi square will be 2.143 and the table value will be 11.07. So automatically, so table value will be highest comparatively the calculated value, because table value will be 11.07 but a calculated value will be 2.14. So we accept the H naught. So this means the our hypothesis will be accepted. H naught hypothesis will be accepted. So this is a final solution will be, this means that the accidents are uniformly distributed over the week. Thank you.